Hello. Welcome to my channel. This is Daddy GP and Tracy TV. Today I got my first payout here in Axie Infinity. I just played this game for 2 weeks, or maybe less than 2 weeks, more than 12 days exactly. I just started July 31st. Okay. I have an Axie SLP. It's about 2021. So right now, try to withdraw my first payout. So I just go to the Axie website, and then to my account. So I just click claim SLP. Clicking the claimable 2021 SLP. So it's appeared in my wallet. It's my running wallet. As you can see, there's an amount of 2021 SLP and an amount of 21,000 pesos. So I'll try to withdraw. So click ako ng SLP running wallet. Tinitingnan ko yung address ng wallet ko, tapos pumunta ako ng MetaMask. So tinitingnan ko yung address of MetaMask. So I don't have enough gas fee for my MetaMask, so kumuha ko ng amount sa Binance ko, send ko ito sa MetaMask ko para kalaman yung MetaMask ko para sa gas fee. Kasi every time may transaction dito sa crypto, may gas fee. So kung magwe-withdraw ako, kailangan may pera yung MetaMask ko para ma-claim ko yung SLP ko galing sa Ronin. So withdraw na ako. I hope successful po ito. This is my first time doing this. I don't know how, but I'll try my best to follow the instructions. I'm pasting the address of my MetaMask wallet first, and then put an SLP on it. So I put the amount, instead of full amount, I'll just write 2020 so that I have one SLP left on my wallet in case, at least I have one SLP left on my Ronin wallet. Pampaboynas ba?
Ma'am, galing mo pala dyan ah!
Nasa Pinoy na yan. Wag gawing zero yung wallet. Kahit piso lang yung
Gago!
pampaswerte. Yun din ginagawa ko. Naglagay lang ako ng isa sa running wallet ko. Ito. Naghihintay ako sa pera galing sa Binance para sa gas fee. Kuha ako ng at least 0.4 sa EXS ko. I-convert ko to sa ETH ko para mag-gas fee ako, sa withdrawal ko sa SLP ko mamaya. It's very complicated pero worth it naman ko. Sana successful itong ginagawa ko ngayon. So using 8 ERC20 since, so I'll just double check if this is ERC20 because I'm not sure if ERC20 or BSC. Sensya na guys, nalilito ako kung paano gawin kasi first time pa lang. So it's ERC20, so I just put max on it and then put network ERC20. So I'll just press the withdraw. So may dalawang verification code, email and saka phone. Ito po ay para sigurado pong walang hack na mangyayari. So it's completed na. Ayan, pakikita na sa wallet ko yung deposit ko na amount. So I was just checking the MetaMask wallet. So yun, mayroon na. So mag-withdraw na ako. So SLP, finger crossed. As you can see, 2020 lang, hindi ko may piso sobra, may isa sobra pampaboynas. So confirm ko na. Ito, wala pang gas fee yan. May pag-deduct. Yes, it's confirmed to MetaMask. Uy, insufficient yung amount ko. Gagawin ko, mag-deposit muli ako sa Binance ko patungong MetaMask kasi ito yung gas fee niya, ang lalaki kasi tumaas kasi yung Ethereum.
A few moments
Hindi ko na
later.
pinakita sa video yung paano ko nilagyan ulit ng pera yung Ethereum ko, pero binigyan ko, nag-load ako ng bago para lang magkapera yung Ethereum wallet ko sa MetaMask. So spending pa, hintay lang po tayo ng sandal. Hintayin ito. Nasa pending ko na yung details po, yung transaction details. So sinashortcut ko na. Nasa dumating na yung SLP ko sa Binance. Tapos press ko yung P2P para mag-withdraw ako ng SLP. So i-press ko yung P2P, tapos sinanap ko yung i-reverse yung Payout and spot to P2P. So lagyan ko ng pera ng P2P ko. So nalagyan ko ng 2,200 kasi may investment din ako, bumili din ako ng SLP nung bumaba siya ng 8 pesos. So ipa-profit ko yung 2 pesos ko. So I'll just press sell P2P. So China yung lumabas, hinanap ko yung PHP yung currency, tapos hahanapin ko yun sa tab na SLP kasi naka USDT pa to. So tinignan ko lang kano yung trading ng USDT to peso. So, baka pwede ako mag-convert ng USDT before SLP, pero medyo marami ng transactions, kaya nag-direct na lang ako ng SLP. So isi-sell ko na lang sa SLP directly sa PHP, SLP to PHP. I don't know how to, but I just press the sell SLP. So there's a name on my transaction, so I'll just wait for the bank transfer. So the buyer has a 15 minutes timeline to transact my SLP. So we'll just wait. There's a confirm released. So payment sent daw. Tapos so hinintay ko, sinecheck ko yung sa phone ko kung dumating ba. Nalalagin pa ako nito sa phone ko sa Metrobank. Boom! Nag-screenshot na siya na nag-deposit na siya sa bangko ko. So nakita ko na rin sa phone ko na nandoon na rin yung amount. So thank you. So see you on my next adventure on my Axie Infinity. Thanks for the support, guys. Hustle Hard and RK Crypto Gamers. Shout out. Bye.